Okay, so just looking at the problem, it says Philip has a collection of 186 yo-yos. So I know that's what he has. The information they give us says later he added 147 more yo-yos to his collection. So if he added 147, I know that he's going to add that to his 186. And then it says, then he sold 115 of them. So if he sold 115, I know that it's going to be subtraction. So when we're using the strip diagram, the idea is that they have a rectangle and it's partitioned into two parts, like so. Then on the top, we're unsure of what our remainder is. But on the bottom, we want to partition that rectangle into the parts that are greatest to least, basically. So we know in his collection he has 186. So I'm going to write 186 to start. That's a little bigger. So I'm going to draw my partition there. And then later he added 147. So I know that he added 147. So I'm just going to put a plus sign and 147 and then partition the rest of that rectangle off. And then he sold 115 of them. So I'm going to subtract 115. Okay. So now, which model represents one way to determine how many yo-yos Philip has now? So with our answer choices, they all look a little bit different than what our picture showed. But when we compare what we have in our picture to our answer choices, we know that we're going to be adding 147 to 186 and then subtracting 115. So with that being said, when I look at my answer choices, 186, next comes 147, and then 115, and that leaves us with the remainder there. With answer choice B, 186, we can't have 186 and then our remainder, so that wouldn't be correct. And then C, 186 plus 115, well, that's not correct, not only because it doesn't match what we have in our picture, but as well, it doesn't match the information that they gave us. And lastly, answer choice D, 186 plus the remainder minus 147, it doesn't make sense. So answer choice A is the best answer. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.